Guys, today I am at Con Zoo. Hi guys, it's Rustica9 and it's another day again to explore the world! Let's Hi guys, it's another day of blessing again to explore Germany. So I'm just literally waiting my bus and after 3 minutes guys, dumating na siya. Tignan nyo naman ang bus nila guys, ang lalaki. It's like riding 2 buses at the same time. So usually my day offs guys, lumalabas ako kung magandang weather. So ngayon, sakto naman na maganda siya kaya naisipan ko ng gumala. Nga pala guys, I'm going to show you kung paano ako pumunta sa Con Zoo. Pupunta muna tayo ng Hauptbahnhof or Central Station because we're going to another city. From Bonn Hauptbahnhof, I'm going to ride RB26 train from Bonn to Köln. Then, I arrived there for approximately 30 minutes lang. Pagbaba nyo sa train guys, lakad kayo pababa ng hagdan, then turn left. Tapos, ito yung magiging exit nyo. Kasi when you turn right, mag-e-exit kayo sa Köln Dome. Pagka-exit nyo dito guys, wag na kayo mag-picture-picture pa tulad ko at baka ma-full memory kayo at hindi pa nakakarating sa Köln Zoo. Kaya naman mag-turn left ka na bading at lalakad lang kayo papunta sa Breslauer Platz, Gleis 2 for about 3 minutes. From this place, you will take U-Bahn Linie 18, Islase Straße. And look at their dove guys, they can just walk here freely. Sa Pinaswak, magiging pulutan na yan with Sito Jean at kantahan na sasalubungin natin ng gina. Char, so yun nga guys. Okay, my train arrives just on time guys. So from Breslauer Platz, bababa lang kayo sa Zoo Flora Station. And there you have it. Lalakad lang kayo sa kabilang side guys with this U-shaped bridge until you reach the zoo. Entry ticket costs 23 euro and you can pay cash or Meterkarte. Scan mo lang ang ticket mo and there you have it. Enjoy the place! So, the first animals I saw guys were pigs or the Schweine. Actually guys, people were so amazed watching the pigs eating while I was amazed with this kind of flowers. Oh my god, tumatanda na Kenny's. So, do you know this kind of flower guys? Comment down if you know. So, pinagpatuloy ko ngang maglakad guys until I saw these flamingos. Oh my god, napakaganda nga nila in personal. At sobrang na-excite yung dibdib ko. Kumbaga nag-beat siya 3 times per minute. Nakakatuwa nga sila kung titigan mo ay may iba't iba silang ugali. Merong kumbagang may tampuhin, may pabebe, merong kamong pagod, merong chill, meron ding maritesi, merong masiyahin lang, merong Romeo at Juliet at kung ano-ano. At nung nagkaway-kaway nga ako guys sa kanila ay parang natutuwa din sila. I just waved my hands to say hi and they responded by spreading their wings. How cute! Actually, this is one of my dream guys na makakita ng real flamingos and by looking at them in real life ay sobrang ganda. Kaya naman, I'm just sharing. I just wanna share it with you guys. And let me share it with you na balang araw, manifesting, right? Na baka ikaw rin, you will be able to explore the world too. Yes! So, nagpatuloy nga lang ako, nag-ikot-ikot guys. And I forgot to take videos some places kasi I was enjoying looking at different kind of animals here. And oh, look at that. On the other side, madami nga pa palang flamingos dito. Kaya for the video na naman ang ate mo. For the go! After how many years nga guys, nagpahinga nga muna ako saglit at umupo sa gedli. I was watching alone these cheetahs na parang pinaparamdam nila ang pagiging singulitis. But seriously guys, I was enjoying traveling alone sometimes. I learned to step outside my comfort zone. I also learned to have self-confidence. And I think that going out alone will be the scariest, but you will find inner peace and connections to yourself. So, yeah, try it once. Pucha, dami ko naman sinasabi dito. Alam ko yung isa naman dyan sasabihin, dami ko daldal. Pakinig ka na lang, be. Okay, next na na-amaze ako was the place, guys. Every kind and types of animals ay may sari-sarili silang shelter na hindi tinitipid ang space. Eto guys, I forgot their names pero most of the time they live underground. Look how cute they are! Mainit nga today kaya siguro most of them nakatago underground pero may iba naman sila nakalabas sila. Cutie! Look how cute they are! Next one is called Trampeltier. It's on the middle of the day kaya nagpapahinga nga sila at that time. And I whistled and she smiled back. Feeling ko nagkakaintindi kami nito. I was waiting for them to stand up guys. Unfortunately, I was not able to. I think they are kind of tired. I also got the chance to see baby sea lions. If di ako nagkakamali guys, they were called baby sea lions. Sana all pakain-kain lang, paikot-ikot lang sa buhay. At saka di siya talaga nahihilo guys. Almost 30 minutes ko siya pinapanood. Pero di siya napapagod. Sana all. I also forgot the name of other mammals that I saw guys. But if you know, comment down. There are animals na first time ko lang din makita. Meron din naman kaming parang zoo sa Ilocos pero most of them were like statue and pictures. So dito guys, I appreciate kasi nakikita mo talaga sila. And I was enjoying watching kaya minsan nakakalimutan ko mag-video pa. These were baby monkeys guys at feeling ko, nararamdaman ko na napapalapit na talaga ako sa mga angkan ko, guys. And the next one, I find this also interesting. Kung ano man siya, hindi ko alam, guys. Pero malaki siya, mahaba ang ilonges niya, at mahaba ang mga balahibo niya. O, diba? Parang akes. Now, we're going to the mini jungle. I mentioned earlier na dito hindi nila tinitipid ang space ng mga animals guys. So, zoo siya pero it feels like a jungle inside guys. These were the home of lions. Grabe ang lawak. And these are the family of lions and ang cute lang nila tignan kasi you can still take good pictures sa kanila kasi those glasses, they have these glasses that are shinier than my face guys. What?
Suya girer mi bu? Elin sen siehst du den Löwen?
Kadugtong ng mini jungle itong stone cave guys. Are these real stone? Are they made? I have no idea. But the fact na na-preserve nila is a plus for me. I think ang nakakainis lang when traveling alone hindi ko makuha yung angulo na picture na gusto ko. But I tried taking pictures pero shoot mahirap. But I'm learning guys. I am learning naman. Next one were peacocks. Auf Deutsch, Pfauen. Sa Tagalog, ano siya? Ibong Adarna? Siya, di ko alam. Pero, facts about peacock, guys. They are the national bird of India. And they were the food of the wealthy family. So, alam mo na, katulad natin, kung hindi pa tayo nakakatikim ng peacocks, or ba yung peacocks na alam mo, uy, wala, church, alam mo lang, uy, bako, maban ako sa Facebook. Next, we're going to enter the House of Elephants. Grabe man to, uy, parang isang mall na siya sa Pinas ng kalaki nito, day. Meron silang baby elephants, meron din silang big elephants, and I think, dito sila nagfo-foster ng elephants para mapadami pa sila. In the next year or so, madami na sila, so I think sakto lang tong bahay nila. Now, we are at the home of gorillas. Dito pala sa entrance nila, guys. Dito sila para nagpapalaki ng mga baby gorillas. Kumbaga dito muna nila pinapalaki. And on the other side naman, guys, dito yung naka-stay yung mga medyo malalaki na. And the fun fact about it is that isa sa mga pinapakain pala nila dito, guys, ay papaya leaves. So, dito lang pala ako makakakita ng papaya dito sa zoo. And I'm so happy. Finally, natuloy na rin ang aming reunion, guys. Ito nga pala yung mga relatives ko, guys. Medyo matagal na kaming di nakakapag-meet up. Ito ang isa, guys. Dahil excited siya, pareho kaming nagulat. Di puta. Pareho. My heart breaks into 2 pieces. My God. Oh my God. Be, pag tumingin ka pa, akin ka. Be! Next one is the home of chipmunks monkey. Ay, hindi pala. Mali. Chimpanzees. The chimpanzees. Fun fact about these guys. They are from Africa. And they are also called sitting monkey. And if you are wondering why their butt looks so reddish, guys, they have pink butt, which signifies that female chimps are ovulating or fertile and it's ready to express their love for the male chimps. Ganun pala yun. So, ayun guys, that's my Konsu journey. I did not have the chance to go to House of Zebra, House of Giraffes, and their aquariums. I did not have the chance to film everything kasi my phone died, guys. Kainis man. Uy! But if you enjoyed and learned something from my vlog, guys, just hit like and share it with your other friends. And I hope to see you on my next vlog. Tschüss!